Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. So, as you all know, that today we are going to do an activity on Independence Day. But before going to start that activity, let me tell you a little bit about Independence Day. So students, Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August to mark the freedom of our country, or we can say that Independence Day is the celebration of freedom. India got independence on August 15, 1947. When our country got freedom, students, our country got freedom on 15th August 1947. It is our national festival. On Independence Day, our national flag is hoisted, then national anthem is sung. On this day, we should remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Shaheed Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad and others. Students, all of you take out your drawing copies and write down date. And what is the date today? Okay, so first we have to mention date, that is 14th August 2021, and after that you have to write here activity. So first we will draw flag. So for that we need ruler and pencil. Now keep your ruler here like this, and we will draw one sleeping line. Keep your ruler here like this, keep your pencil here and make one sleeping line like this. Okay, now we will make one more sleeping line here like this. Now you have to keep your ruler here a little bit downward like this, and then we will draw one more sleeping line like this. Okay, one more sleeping line we will draw like this. So we have to draw total 4 sleeping lines, 1 2 3 4. Now what we have to do, we have to join these sleeping lines with the help of one standing line like this. Keep your ruler here and we will make one standing line like this. Okay, now keep your ruler here and we will make one standing line like this. Okay, now here you have to make a small circle like this, and then now keep your pencil here, and from here we have to make one strip like this, and here we have to make one knot, that is circle, and some lines like this. Now what we have to do is we have to extend this line like this till. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to make here one circle, and for that you can use any round object, any small round object, and keep this small circle here and make one circle like this. And in this circle we have to make lines with the help of ruler. Standing line, then one sleeping line like this. You have to make so many lines in it. Okay, so students, this is called national flag. Our national flag is also known as Tiranga because it has 3 colors: saffron, white and green. Okay, it is known as Tiranga because it has 3 colors: saffron, white and green. Now we will fill color in it with the help of airbud because our today's activity is airbud painting. So what we will do, we will dip our airbud in color, and then we will start doing it like this. Tap tap tap. First you have to dip and then you have to tap. Dip and tap. You just have to dip your airbud in color and then you have to do like this. Tap tap tap. Dip and tap. You have to do only 2 things, that is dip and tap. You have to fill saffron color here like this only. Okay, so the first color, that is the topmost color, saffron, represents courage and sacrifice. Now the middle one, that is white color. White color represents truth, peace and purity. We are not doing white color here because it is already white. That's why. Now the lowermost color, that is green, represents what? Prosperity. Now what we have to do is take a new earbud, dip in green color, and then we will start doing it like this only. Tap, tap, tap. Dip and tap. Okay, green color represents what, students? Prosperity. You have to fill color in it like this only. Dip and tap. Okay, now there in the middle there is a circle. This one, it is a navy blue circle, and this is called Ashok Chakra, that has 24 equal spokes. Take a new earbud, dip in blue color, and then we will do like this only. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, now take brown color, dip your earbud in brown color and start doing it like this. On a string we have to do brown color, and this also we have to do brown color. Okay, so students, this is our today's activity. Like this, you have to draw flag, and then you have to do earbud painting in it. Okay, so students, that's all for today. Again, wishing you a very happy Independence Day in advance. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then,